woman, she's known that
Can be very so. Yes. That's one thing I hate about doing it. I think I should just start off my eye just to be on a cake and I'll do it.
Yo, boy. You want a cigarette?
I guess she was swinging or something.
Really, she never sees to amaze me, that girl. What's wrong with it? So tell me what's up. What you were saying? Oh, I got this smell though.
That the miss gave us.
The girl who played it quiet.
Yeah.
It's so fashion.
It's some close, but I like the ghost most. It's really nice.
Come on, I'm not a fan of Robert Pattinson. I don't want this one.
Come on.
I'll go for this one.
It's so boring.
Come on, okay, let's do this. I'll
Yeah.
take both. Okay, then I'll take
But
this
you
one.
better give them back.
Don't forget to send me the photos. I really like them. Come on, Gio, give me data that I
Oh,
have to
come
send
on, I
your
can
photos.
buy it.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, Trish, what's up?
Hi.
Hey, how you going home?
Yes, I am.
Go together. I'm going that way also. I don't think you've got a problem there.
Huh. You're supposed to say, can I drive you home? Walk home with you. Like, seriously? You must be a joker. Just because we stay together, you think that we're at the same level. You must be serious. Now I don't want to drive.
Just look at this fam.